We have some options in View tab. So let's see how to work with these options. Already we have created sample presentation with 3 slides. In normal view, it will display the slides when we click on that particular slide. So generally we are working in this view. Second option is Slide Sorter. With the help of this option, we can rearrange the slides on our own. This is first slide, second slide and third slide. Now we have to click and drag the slide, then it changes their places. So this option is very easy to rearrange the slides when we have more number of slides. If we give double click on these slides or click on normal view option, then it will come back to the normal view. And here itself we can also rearrange these slides, but it is better to use slide sorter option. If we want to prepare notes for each slide for our reference, then we have to select the option Notes page. Here we have to type the notes for each slide. Generally, these notes will not display in normal view, but we can take print these notes. Select print option. Here we have to set all settings. I am selecting current slide. Here we have option print what? Either slides, handouts, notes page, outline view. Now I am selecting note page. Then it will print only notes and it will not print slide. Like this, we can print the notes and we can place slides for our reference. And already we know about the option slideshow. If we want to show the ruler, then we have to select this option. Like this, we can set grid lines. Next, if we have any incompleted action, then it will show the message in message box. Now we did not have any incompleted action, so it is in disabled form. Next option is zoom. Now it is in fitting size. For example, I am selecting 100%, then it will increase the size. Again I am selecting fitting size. Next option is fit to window. If we select this option, then the slide will fit to the window. We can also select colors, grayscale and all these options. When we click on grayscale option, then it will show different types of grayscales. And again we can select colors. Next option is new window. If we select this option, then it will show a new window. Again I am selecting this option. Now we have 3 new windows. Select arrange all option. Then these slides will arrange side by side. Here we have only one presentation with 3 windows. If we select cascade option, then it will show like this. Next option is move split. This option is used to move the splitters which separates the different sections in the window. Switch window option is used to open the different currently opened windows. If we give double click on the slide, then it will come back to the normal view. In this group, we have option Master Slides. By using this option, we can create templates. For example, if you want to prepare number of presentations for Edusoft learning systems, When we preparing presentations, we have to create templates by our own by giving same type of view, and we have to create the slides by using that templates. By using these options, we have to create template. Now I'm closing this one and I'm selecting new presentation. Now I'm selecting slide master. Here we have different types of layouts. Now I'm selecting this theme. Here we have to give title and subtitle. And if you want, we can set footers and date. Now I'm copying this text and here we have to paste it, and we can change the font style, font colors, etc. And font style will change for all slides. We can select different types of effects and background colors. After changing layout, if you want to give some other layout style, for example, we have this type of layout. Here we have title and content. Like that, we can change another layout, and here also we have title, content and text. Like this, we can select different types of layouts. And if you want to add a new layout, then we have to select the option Insert Layout, and we can select all options for that layout. In the same way, we can insert placeholders like text, pictures, chart, etc. I am selecting table, and we can also select all its related options. And we can select page setup, orientations, etc. So now we have created master layout. Already we have created same layout. So if we select insert slide master option, then it will add a new layout, and for this layout we have to give themes, colors, etc. After preparing the master layout, then we have to select Save As option, and here I am giving file name my Edusoft template. Next, we have to select PowerPoint templates, and finally click on Save button. Now I am closing this one. Next, select the option New, My Templates, My Edusoft Templates. Click on OK button. Now it shows the templates which we created. Here we can change the text according to our requirements. Now select Home, New Slide, and here we can see the different types of slides which we created. These slides are created under one master layout, and these are created under another master layout. For example, I am selecting this one. We have given this text when we created that slide, so it shows that text only. And if we select default slides, then it will show the text according to that slide. For example, New, we have created these two templates. Here I am selecting this one, and it will display according to its settings. and I'm selecting another slide. Like that, we can use slide master option. In the same way, we can create templates by using handout master, master notes option. For example, I'm selecting handout master, and here we can select orientation. This option is used to change the design and layout of the printed handouts. Here I'm deselecting header option and I'm selecting notes. Here we can give notes and we can also make settings that how it should be displayed. So we can create a new presentation slide and it will display according to the master layouts.